My name is Anthony Gonzalez. I'm one of the owners of GrassMasters Synthetic Turf, Ivy, and Putting Greens. So for turf itself, this area right here is 300 square feet. Just for 300 square feet here in Miami-Dade County, I know that most people will be spending probably $50 to $60 every time they get the lawn cut. That's $120 a month. In 20 years, you would have spent almost $30,000, and that's just cutting your grass. What if I told you that I could do this for you in one day, and this will be done for you for less than $4,000 all in? By the start of year 3, you're already going to be saving money, and all that money is going to go right into your pocket. We started a company with that in mind and trying to stay focused on customer service and making sure that we deliver where we had already noticed contractors in the industry as a whole failing, which is that, deadlines, timelines, that kind of stuff. Another thing I hate to do is I hate doing change orders. I only want to be able to do the job right once, the first time, the first try. The things that we've added into the fold exclusively are concrete, so we can do concrete. We also do pavers. We're also doing tiling, planter boxes, irrigation, drainage. You can reach us at 1-866-FLA-TURF. You can also reach us at our info email, which is info@GrassMasters, masters with an S, turf.com.